In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a QR code in Canva. To change QR code color in Canva, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device, and then, if you haven't added a QR code on your design, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now, click on Apps from the expanded menu. Click on All Apps from the menu, and then in the search box type in QR code. From the app list, look for this QR code button at the top and click on Use in Existing Design. Now you can go ahead and open up any of your project or the project that has been shared with you. Choose the project that you want to add the QR code in. Now, add a URL that you want people to reach to by scanning the QR code. You can go ahead and select the URL from one of your own websites or from your social media accounts if you want. And once entering the URL, click on Generate Code. You will then be able to update the code in the preview section. Now, once you add the code on your screen, in order to change the color of your QR code, tap on the Customize button at the bottom. In the expanded menu, click on Background Color and choose the color for your QR code background using the color options. Now choose the foreground color option as well, and once you do that, click on Update Code. As you can see that the QR code color has now been changed according to your color selection. That's how you easily change the color of your QR code in Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.